Howdy guys, welcome to the cave. I'm Mark, and you're watching Blue Street Customs. Hey guys, welcome back to Mail Time. This is one of the packages I've been waiting for. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. I know you guys are going to be excited when you see it. I know I'm excited, so let's get this damn thing open. They sure seem to know how to wrap it. It's wrapped pretty good. Obviously some good crafting stuff. Gonna keep that. So, now you know what it is. We got ourselves a engraver, cutter. Sweet deal, boys and girls. So, let's see here. Decently packaged. Comes with a European style plug adapter, but the plug itself is US Canadian or American, whichever you want to call it. Comes with a bunch of sample pieces for you to try on. A cord for hooking up to the computer. Probably a few other things, some nuts and bolts in there. So this thing isn't very big, but it doesn't need to be very big to do quite a bit. There's your safety glasses. Nice little green lens for you guys. Here we got the laser module, and I believe this is the y-axis, could be the x-axis. So this here is going to get bolted onto that piece. That's who makes it. Now I got this off of Amazon. Done a bunch of research on it. This here is, you'll see several different brands of this exact same one. And they all work exactly the same. This here is a 20 watt laser. Now obviously that's only 20 watt input. I believe it's only like a 2.5 or 2.0 maybe watt output, which is more than enough for what I need it to do. Now of course you want to get higher than this. It's going to get a lot more expensive, and you're probably looking at a totally different design of laser. These here are diode lasers. So I'll have to put all this together. Looks like that's going to plug into there somewhere. Yeah, laser port. Some sort of switch there. I'll have to read the manual on it. That'll get connected to the motor. Something like that anyways. There we go. So that'll just sit on there. Move back and forth. Everything seems to move nice. Nothing's jammed. Rolls nice. So it's just going to be a quick video today, guys. I know I got lots planned for this. So if you want to see some of the stuff I'm going to do with this, if you want to see a video of me putting this together, setting it up and testing it, let me know down in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, like and share. Hit that bell icon so you can get notified for when I post videos. Check me out on Instagram and Facebook. I'll usually post stuff there fairly early. So let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know if you have one, used one. Maybe you guys can give me some tips and tricks of how to set this up, different programs or whatever. I know there's one that comes with it that I've got to download from the internet, but we'll get that all figured out. So until then, later.